Okay, everybody, this is today's tech tip, and this is going to be on controlling student communications on Google Classroom. Students can, I didn't know if you know this or not, but students can comment. They can also post on the stream just as a default setting on any classroom. So sometimes I get teachers that ask a question about how they can control this aspect, how they can limit it, just to be safe, or maybe it's because a student has crossed the line. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways in which you can control this aspect of Google Classroom and communication from students. What I have set up for you are two different classroom tabs, the one being the student example class in which I'm in right now as the teacher, and the other tab is the same classroom, student example class, and the test students is in it. Right now I want to show you that if I set this back to the default setting, this is what any classroom looks like for the student just whenever you create it. They have the ability to post on the stream. They can add files. And if they go into any assignment, they can also comment to the class on that assignment, but then they also have the ability over here on the right-hand side to privately comment to you. So those are the three ways in which they can communicate, just as default setting on Classroom. Again, they can comment on the on the assignment post itself to you privately, or and one thing I don't know if a lot of people know, they can actually just put a post on the Classroom stream themselves. So to control this, to limit it, if you want to, make sure that students can't do so much of this, you want to go to the classroom. I'm back at that classroom as the teacher. You want to go off to the settings gear and come down to where it says stream under general. And you can see right now the default being students can post and comment. I'm going to switch that one time to the second one down. Students can only comment. I'm going to save that. This takes away their ability to post. And by posting, I mean right here in stream. So if we go back to the student class and we just refresh this, you'll see that their ability to create that post in that spot is now gone from their side. So maybe that's how you want to limit it down. Just on the stream sense, this still gives them the ability to comment in the classroom part under a post. And they can also always give private comments back and forth between you and students. The second way in which we can limit this down, if I go back to the teacher classroom, student example class, and go to the gear, and just go down to settings again, stream, and only teachers can post or comment. If we save that under the settings, let's see what that looks like on the student side. Let's go ahead and refresh this. And actually, let's just take it back to their stream. And you can see that the still missing is the ability to create a post, gone. If we go off to an assignment now, they no longer have the option to add a class comment too. That is missing. So at this point, with this type of setting, the third one down, only teachers can post or comment. Really, the only thing that a student can do is comment to you privately, back and forth, one-on-one, between you and the student. So, that's the three ways in which you can change up the communication that you allow a student to have on Classroom. I do want to show you one last aspect of all of this is if a student just gets to be too much, you can always come over to the people part and you can mute them individually. So that's if a if a student was just always commenting something and it was just taking away from everything else that's on Classroom, you can just mute that student. So those are the ways in which you can control communication on Classroom on the student side. Like I said, it's a question that I sometimes will get, and I just figured that I'd clear it up for everybody on a video like this. So let me know if you have any questions, and you guys have a good day.